Hey everybody, welcome back. So we're gonna change gears. So we've been doing shooting. Now we're gonna do something that I call receiving the ball from the air, but frankly, it's receiving the ball even on the ground. And the key element that I'm gonna be focusing on in the next several weeks here is gonna be called the hop. H-O-P, the hop. And the idea is that every time you receive the ball, there's actually a little hop that you're going to take that allows your body to adjust to the ball. You see that oftentimes when coaches say stay in your toes, be ready. You see with tennis players when they're ready on their toe as the serve comes. It just gives you a little extra adjustment to the ball. Many of you probably already do it, you don't even notice it, but I'm going to actually formally teach you how to do the hop, what that hop is all about, and how it's going to help you tremendously in being able to receive the ball quicker, out of your feet easier, to be able to play it obviously a lot more effectively. So here's the deal. The first thing you got to understand is how to read the ball. Okay, the ball has, obviously it's going to bounce at a certain level, and you need to be one with the ball. You don't want to be against the ball, so I'm just going to show you this. Literally the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw the ball up, and I just want you guys to feel the bounce of the ball, okay? So you don't need a big space, you just need to do this, okay? You just throw the ball up and go hop with that ball, feeling how it goes. Let me show you one more time, ready? So just feel that ball go with the ball and get that little hop. You guys see how I was doing that? So I'm feeling how the ball travels already, okay? So I want to make sure that I'm able to understand how the ball is coming. So the next step I'm going to ask you to do is to go with the ball, be one with the ball, by just simply bouncing. But I'm not a basketball player where I'm doing this. You see that? I'm actually hopping with the ball as the ball is coming up. And notice how gently I'm touching the ball here. I'm just very gently, okay, going with the ball and not opposite like that, okay? So again, the idea is do that for a little bit. I just want to really make sure you guys understand how the ball goes up and down and that you're with the ball rather than going against it. It's not dribbling the ball like that, okay? So once you have that down, actually, you know what? I'll even give you one little thing you can practice. So when you're going one with the ball, I'm going to show you guys. Try this. And continue that going. Probably need to do that. Practice a little bit more there, but I'm feeling the ball hopping with it. The idea is not basketball between the legs, just feeling the ball. So the next step I want you to practice, and now that you get that, is we're going to touch the ball with our feet. So the idea here is I'm feeling the ball, I'm going to let it drop a couple of times, I'm going to hop every other touch, just very gently. I'm going to touch it with kind of the upper half of my foot right here. I'm going to just very gently, just like I did with my fingers, just very gently. I'm going to do the same thing with the foot right here, right there, right there. Once you get comfortable, maybe you can do both of them. One bounce, let it go. One bounce, let it go. Once you get a little more proficient, you can actually even see if you can do every touch. Like so. Again, the idea is, I'm going to do it again for a second. The idea is, look at my hopping foot and notice how I'm coming off the ground. Okay, I'm not standing still, but I'm coming off the ground, and the idea is that I'm always taking a hop motion. Even when I'm passing the ball, I take a little hop. Even on the ground, I'm hopping and controlling the ball. That is what I want you guys to get to, is this little hop to be able to adjust. So I'm going to show you again. Hop, hop. Look at my opposite leg coming off the ground. The knee is up high because I'm over the ball. One key element we're trying to do here, I'm not stretching for the ball out here, but I'm trying to keep the ball in this play area. This is a big, big theme, is keep the ball right in front of you, get that knee up here to be able to control it. And I'll show you in the next sections how that's gonna be very useful. So I'm right here, right in this control area. Hopefully all of you guys in a week get to that point so we can build off of that, okay? Have a great week.